Hi there, students. Penchant. Penchant. I did look up the American pronunciation, and the Americans say penchant. But as a good middle-class Brit, I would say penchant. To have a penchant for something. To have a strong liking for it. To have a taste for it. To have an appetite for it. This is something that you like and something that you tend to do. To have an inclination for it. So, do you have a penchant for chocolate? Do you just love chocolate? Personally, I have a penchant for neoclassical architecture. It's something I like. Joe has a penchant for playing practical jokes on people. He's always putting buckets of water over doors and things like that. Jim here has a penchant for long-legged blonde women. Yeah? What sort of things do you have a penchant for? Maybe you have a penchant for Scots whiskey. So, a penchant, this is something you like, something you enjoy doing, something that you do as often as you can. Almost like a predilection, but I get the feeling that a predilection is more negative than a penchant. So, a penchant, this is something that you enjoy doing and you do it as often as you can. To have an appetite for it. Okay, what about the origin of this word? Well, it comes from Latin through French. We have the French word pencher, which I think is tilted or on an incline. And originally this comes from Latin, pendere or pendere, to hang or suspend. So I get the idea that you're addicted to it. Yeah? But let's see, a penchant. I don't think you're completely addicted. It's just something you really enjoy. I have a penchant for growing flowers. It's something I enjoy. It's one of the things that makes me happy. I'm sure you've got a penchant for new vocabulary. It's why you're here watching this. So, next question. What about formality? A penchant for. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation in the pub. Yeah? I think maybe you could use it with somebody who's fairly posh in an informal conversation. This word sounds quite literary. I'd probably only give it maybe a 6 or a 6.5 informality. But let's see, this is not a common everyday slang word. You need to use it in either semi-formal or formal circumstances. Yeah? Or when you're writing an essay. It's a good literary word. Okay? Notice as well the structure, to have a penchant for something. So, I hope you have a penchant for my videos. Yes, I'm sure you do if you've watched this far. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Penchant, or as the Americans would say, penchant.